Whee! Now, don't put your arms in the air and go whee! This is a real roller coaster. So this video is going to be a bit different. At the beginning of October, in a valley in the south of France called the Roya, there was a huge flood. Now, I had to go there with Zoya a few days ago, and the only way to get up into that valley is in a convoy, and there's nothing but destruction along the river. And it's an adventure because the road is completely mashed up, and it's just a total mess, and feels pretty dangerous. But anyway, come with me for a roller coaster ride up the Roya Valley to the town of Tend. Road ahead closed. Have to go on the footpath. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, dong, dong,
There was bridge. It's collapsed. Now we're gonna again do crazy maneuvers.
More crazy maneuvers.